5 seconds to go. Start. The bag held by Anwar Khan A1 was opened and two polythene bags containing suspected contraband material were found therein. The contraband substance was weighed at the bus stand and gross weight of the two polythene bags came out to be 2 kg and 30 grams. As the spot where the suspect and the contraband were found was a busy public place, the NCB officers, in order to avoid security issues, thought it fit to move to the PWD guest house adjacent to the bus stand for carrying out the seizure, sampling, and sealing procedure. Accordingly, the team members, along with the panchas, the suspect, and the packet of contraband, moved to the PWD guest house. 3 samples were collected from each polythene bag and were sealed under the signatures of the panchas and the intelligence officer PW2 of the NCB. The second final part of the Panchanama was drawn up and completed at the PWD Guest House, Kheda. Summon under Section 67 of the NDPS Act was issued to Anwar Khan A1 by Deepak Parikh PW2, which was duly received by him. Statement of Anwar Khan A1 was recorded under Section 67 of the NDPS Act by Deepak Parikh PW2 and thereafter he was arrested. Further investigation was assigned to Intelligence Officer Vikram Ratnu PW3. During investigation, information was received that the second suspect who had escaped from the ST bus stand had been tracked down by the Madhya Pradesh police. The intelligence officer Deepak Parikh PW2 claims to have proceeded to Shahjahanpur police station, Madhya Pradesh, where the second suspect was found and identified to be Firdoskhan A2, who volunteered to come down to the office of NCB Ahmedabad for participating in investigation. Accordingly, Firdoskhan A2 was brought to NCB office Ahmedabad by Deepak Parikh PW2 on 9th February 2003, where summon under Section 67 of the NDPS Act was served to him. Deepak Parikh PW2 recorded the statement of Firdoskhan A2 under Section 67 of the NDPS Act during the intervening night of 9th and 10th February 2003, whereafter Firdoskhan A2 was also arrested in the present case. One part of samples was forwarded to the FSL and second part of samples was forwarded to the Central Revenues Control Laboratory, New Delhi, hereinafter being referred to CRCL. After analysis, a report was received to the effect that the samples gave positive tests for presence of ingredients of brown sugar heroin and diacetyl morphine contents were found therein. A complaint came to be filed by intelligence officer Vikram Ratnu PW3 against both the accused in the court of Learned Sessions Judge. The case was transferred to the Court of Learned Additional Sessions Judge Fast Track Court for trial. Charges were framed against both the accused for the offences mentioned above, who abjured their guilt and claimed trial. The prosecution examined 4 witnesses and exhibited 38 documents to prove its case. The accused were questioned under Section 313 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973, hereinafter being referred to as CRPC, upon which they denied the allegations as appearing against them in the prosecution evidence and claimed to be innocent. After deliberating upon the submissions advanced on behalf of the parties and upon analyzing the evidence available on record, the trial court-wide judgment dated 6th June 2006 proceeded to convict and sentence the appellants in the manner stated above. The appeals preferred by the appellants were rejected by the High Court of Gujarat vide impugned judgment dated 30th November 2009. Since both the appeals arise out of a common judgment, they have been heard analogously and are being decided together. Stop.